Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step roadmap to becoming an AI product manager. If you come from a background in branding, digital strategy, or technical troubleshooting, this path is built for you. We'll explore how to blend business insight, user empathy, and AI fluency into a role that's shaping the future of innovation. So if you love structured plans and actionable strategy, you're in the right place. Phases involved in becoming an AI product manager. Phase 1. Foundation building. Goal: understand the basics of AI and product management. Phase 2. Skill integration. Goal: combine AI knowledge with product strategy. Phase 3. Strategic positioning. Goal: prepare for leadership and cross-functional impact. Phase 4. Career launch. Goal: land your first AI PM role or transition internally. Phase 1. Step 1. Learn AI fundamentals. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models for prediction, while unsupervised learning uncovers hidden patterns in unlabeled data. NLP helps machines understand human language, and computer vision enables them to interpret images and videos. Model performance is evaluated using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to ensure reliability. Ethical AI demands attention to bias, ensuring models don't reinforce unfair stereotypes or discrimination. Fairness and transparency are key. Users should understand how AI decisions are made and trust the process behind them. Step 2. Mastered product management essentials. Great products begin with clarity, roadmaps that align vision with execution. User research isn't optional, it's the compass that guides every decision. Prioritization is about impact, not urgency. Build what matters most, first. Agile isn't just a framework, it's a mindset of continuous learning and iteration. Scrum empowers teams to deliver value in short, focused sprints. Lean strips away the noise, maximizing value while minimizing waste. OKRs set the direction. KPIs measure the journey. Engagement proves the impact. Data isn't just numbers, it's the story of how users experience your product. Track what matters, act on what moves the needle. Phase 2. Skill integration. Step 1. Hands-on projects. Build mock AI products. Prototype intelligent tools like chatbots and recommendation engines to simulate real-world applications. Use leading AI frameworks. Apply platforms like TensorFlow for model training, Hugging Face for NLP pipelines, and OpenAI APIs for advanced language capabilities. Accelerate learning and innovation. These tools enable rapid experimentation, helping teams validate ideas and refine user experiences efficiently. Next, let's start Phase 2 of skill integration. Step 2. Collaborate with tech teams. Write clear PRDs for AI features. Translate complex AI capabilities into structured, user-focused product requirement documents that guide development with clarity and purpose. Understand data pipelines. Grasp how raw data flows through collection, cleaning, and transformation stages to power model training and inference. Know the model lifecycle, from experimentation to deployment and monitoring. Understand each phase of an AI model's journey to ensure long-term performance and reliability. Bridge tech and strategy. These skills help you align engineering execution with business goals and user needs, essential for any AI product manager. Let's now know on Step 3. Develop use case thinking. Spot AI value drivers. Identify where AI can elevate user experience through personalization, intelligent automation, predictive insights, or enhanced decision-making. Think beyond the hype. Focus on use cases that solve real problems, not just showcase tech novelty. Balance the PM triangle. Ensure every AI feature is feasible to build, desirable for users, and viable for the business. Ask the right questions. Can it scale? Will users trust it? Does it align with strategic goals? Let's now know about Phase 3, strategic positioning. To start with, Step 1. Build a portfolio. Showcase AI case studies. Present real-world examples that highlight how your AI product solves user problems. Back it with data. Include performance metrics, user feedback, and iteration cycles to demonstrate impact and continuous improvement. Tell a story. Focus on outcomes, not just features. Show how AI created measurable value. Step 2. Network and learn from experts. Engage with AI PM communities. Join platforms like LinkedIn, Product School, and Reforge to exchange insights, discover tools, and stay updated on emerging trends. Attend key conferences. Participate in events like NeurIPS and ProductCon to learn from top minds, explore cutting-edge research, and expand your professional network. Stay current, stay connected. These spaces foster continuous learning and help you align with the evolving AI product landscape. Now we have arrived at the last phase. Phase 4, Career Launch. In that, let's look into Step 1, Target Roles. AI Product Manager drives AI-powered solutions by aligning user needs, data capabilities, and business goals. Technical Product Manager, AI, ML, bridges engineering and product strategy, focusing on model performance, scalability, and deployment. Innovation Lead, AI Strategy, shapes long-term AI vision, exploring emerging technologies and translating them into strategic opportunities. Phase 4, Career Launch. Step 2, Where to apply. LinkedIn, AngelList, Glassdoor, key platforms for networking, job discovery, and company insights. AI startups, enterprise tech firms, healthcare platforms, diverse ecosystems driving innovation, scale, and impact in AI adoption. And that brings us close to the finish line. Before we wrap up, let's take a glance back at the key phases we explored. Phase 1, Foundation Building. Grasp AI basics, learning types, NLP, ethics, and core product skills, roadmaps, agile, metrics. Phase 2, Skill Integration. Apply AI tools in mock projects, collaborate with tech teams, and identify high-impact use cases. Phase 3, Strategic Positioning. Build a portfolio, engage with expert communities, and pursue certifications to boost credibility. Phase 4, Career Launch. Target AI PM roles, explore top platforms and companies, and prep with case-driven interviews. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI product journeys.